Hello and welcome. My name is Maksim Kharitonov and I am the founder and lead expert at the Human Rights, an international agency that prepares expert witness reports for asylum cases worldwide. We specialize in human rights-based risk assessment, covering all 5 grounds under the Refugee Convention, including political opinion, religion, ethnicity, membership of a particular social group, and nationality. Our reports are trusted by lawyers, courts, and immigration authorities in the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, and across Europe.
Today I will focus on Sri Lanka and the types of risks that lead many of its citizens to seek asylum in the UK and the US. Although Sri Lanka has a formal democratic system, serious human rights concerns persist, especially for ethnic minorities, political activists, and survivors of the civil war. Tamils and Muslims are frequently subjected to surveillance, harassment, and arbitrary arrest, particularly in the north and east of the country. Security forces continue to operate with impunity, and past abuses from the civil war era have not been addressed. Torture and ill treatment in custody remain widespread, especially during counter-terrorism operations or interrogations by military intelligence. Human rights defenders, journalists, and critics of the government face threats, online harassment, and legal action under anti-terror laws. Women and girls are vulnerable to domestic violence, sexual abuse, and trafficking. Legal protections are weakly enforced and victims face stigma, delays, and inadequate support services. LGBT individuals face widespread discrimination and harassment. Same-sex relations are criminalized under colonial-era laws, and although prosecutions are rare, LGBT people often face blackmail, police abuse, and rejection from their families. Returnees, particularly those who fled due to past persecution, took part in Tamil diaspora activism, or are perceived as critics of the government, may be interrogated, detained, or monitored on arrival. There are credible reports of torture and mistreatment of returnees, even years after the end of the conflict. So how do we prepare expert witness reports? We start with a full review of the case materials, including personal statements, supporting documents, and any previous decisions. Then we move on to in-depth research using both international and local credible sources. We combine real-time data with our knowledge of legal systems, government practices, and the specific patterns of abuse in each region. Each report is written by a dedicated country expert and reviewed by our team of legal researchers and analysts to make sure everything is clear, accurate, and relevant to the case. The final report is prepared to meet the standards of the immigration system and courts in the country where the asylum claim is made, whether that's the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, or any country in Europe. We also use proper legal referencing, so every fact is backed by clear and trusted sources. If you're working on an asylum case right now and you want to strengthen it with solid expert evidence, just get in touch with us today. It's really easy. Just head to our website. The link is in the video description. You can also scan the QR code on your screen or email us directly at info@thehuman-rights.com. And when you reach out, you'll receive a sample report, the expert's CV, and a free consultation. We respond to all inquiries within 1 hour and deliver each report within 1 week. We also work at the minimum rate accepted under legal aid, so our services are accessible even for publicly funded cases. Our team is ready to prepare expert reports for countries across the globe. You can find the full list of regions we cover right there on our website. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to supporting your next asylum case with the clarity, credibility, and professionalism you or your clients deserve.